Can we get it right? Hold on, baby, don't fight. Let's find love after dark. Cause the night's got to fight a spark. Light the whole world up tonight. Say, baby, let's do this right. Yeah. Can we ride it, baby? You and I, baby, all night, baby. Yeah, you wanna try? Hey, 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 are you listen? Ride the lightning, ride it high. Ooh, well, every dark don't need much spark. Burning low and deadly slow. The cold running so low, they leave a nice warm glow. Don't say no to yeah, yeah. It's a carnival high with super style. Drop on in, strap on down, stay away. Yeah, yeah. One hell of a ride. Twists and turns might make you sick, but it was the biggest thrill and the best trip. Oh, look out, she's wearing leather and black lace. She's ready to let it ride. Ooh, let's roll out of this place. Ride the lightning, feel the rain, hear the thunder in her name. Yeah, watch her eyes, she's watching too. She sees every move. What does she want? Is she a star one? Someone to treat her right, rock her easy through the night. Yeah. Oh. There's a mystery before me to unfold. I walk gently to and fro. She's as warm as a summer breeze, but believe me, she can sting you like a million bees. Ooh, yeah, yeah, yeah. She sent chills down my spine, a deadly stare, a secret place behind the mask she wears. Ooh, in the light of this place, I see those eyes, I see her face. It stops everything. I'm begging, baby, please. Please. Ooh, baby, touch me. Ooh, oh, yeah. Baby, just lean in, let emotion begin. Don't cap it, baby, let it go. Ride the light with the fire that burns a place so high. I can see love flame, raising the iris of my eye. Ooh, yeah. Ooh, this place. Here we stand, face to face. Touch me